Hey, it's Henry, and on behalf of Manusoft, welcome to this online quick start guide for iMold. Mold tool and die design used to be a complex and specialist subject. This quick start guide will lead you step by step through the basic functionality of iMold. You will create a complete mold starting from the part to the assembly drawings. We start with the data preparation. The data preparation lets you take parts direct from the customer, change the direction, move point of origin of the part to the molding direction. Start SolidWorks. Click Data Preparation on the iMold toolbar. Select Data Preparation from the menu. The Part to Derive window is displayed, allowing you to select a part. Open the product named case.sldprt from location. Important thing to note, iMold uses the positive z-axis or the front plane direction as the mold opening or the pull direction. In the case of this part, the opening direction would be normal to the face shown. You can also click on the Draft Analysis button to access the draft analysis functions to analyze the part file. Select a draft direction and click Analyze. The draft results are color tagged on the part itself. Select the box center as the origin. Select the Z direction for the part. Under New Coordinate System, select the Z-axis box to activate it. Check the pull direction for the part. The preview of the axis changes direction. The Z-axis as indicated by the blue arrow will point normal to the face. If the pull direction is not as shown, under New Coordinate System, select the Z-axis box to activate it. Select the face of the pull direction. Click OK to derive the part. The product case derived.sldprt is derived and displayed. This product is saved in the same location as the original part.